Imagine you're in an interview, HR asks a difficult question, and your mind goes blank. Or during an exam, you encounter questions you didn't expect. Well, basically all of them. You go home sad, or move from your chair to bed and start crying. Exam I solves these problems, gives you smart hints in real time right during interviews or exams. It listens to the interviewer's questions or your voice and instantly generates structured answers and hints. Works completely hidden, invisible on screen recordings and demos in Teams, Zoom, Telemost, and others. Can work both locally and through Google AP in streaming mode and through OpenAI API in basic mode. Works on all platforms, Windows, Linux, macOS. Disclaimer: use of the program is at your own responsibility. When using the application via API, audio recording of your conversation is sent to third parties like OpenAI or Google AI, which cannot be done without consent from all participants. When using locally, no data is transmitted to third parties. Go to the link in the description to the project repository and give it a star. Because who else if not you? All information from this video is also available in text form there. Download for your system and run as administrator. To quickly start using, just insert your OpenAI AP key and press this button.
Why I need the horse?
To drive it, brother.
At the right moment, we can send the last X seconds for response with a button or hotkey. And that's how we do the entire interview. OpenAI API is paid, unlike the semi-free Google AI API. So if you want it free, take a Google AI key and insert it in this field. After that, you need to change the mode to streaming and enable one of the Gemini models. The essence is roughly the same, but now the text that the neural network hears will appear in stream results, and at the right moment, you can send the text for response and edit if needed. Keep in mind that your internet should be fast, otherwise you'll be wondering why it's so slow. All examples on screen are shown without acceleration, and I'm in Russia, so if your speed is lower, it means you have bad internet. You can also configure the window to always stay on top of other windows, invisibility on recordings and demos, window transparency, width, height when opening the application, RPR response timeouts, audio device selection, hotkeys. You can try different models and configure prompts differently that will be applied to the models that support this. For example, you can specify the main language of conversation, but there might be English terms or something similar. And for LLM, you can insert your resume or any information you want the neural network to know when generating responses. Experiment. How to use this miracle locally. You'll need one good CPU, or better yet, one good GPU. You also need 12 to 70 gigs of free space, depending on which models you'll use. The better your hardware, the faster speech recognition and response generation will be. I'll show how to do this for Windows with an NVIDIA graphics card. On other systems, the process is roughly similar. Install CUDA and cuDNN for your system. Add paths to cuDNN libraries to system variables if it didn't add them itself. Restart your PC. Install Ollama for local LM models. Download the needed model by running Ollama pull in PowerShell. Start the local server. Ollama serve if Ollama isn't running. Install and run Fast Whisper according to instructions in its repo. In exam AI, switch to local mode for transcription and/or AI and try using it. Keep in mind that with local usage, neural models are loaded into GPU memory or RAM if not already loaded, so the first recognition and first response generation will be much slower than subsequent ones. The first local audio recognition will also download the model, so it will be even slower. The local server with Whisper cannot be turned off, otherwise it won't work, and there will be no local recognition. You can start it through the same file. You can use speech recognition locally and LLM processing via API, or vice versa. Or everything locally at once, or everything via API is shown at the beginning. General points. Noisy background can reduce recognition quality. Project is created for educational purposes. Use responsibly.
Какие типы данных есть в Python?
Use responsibly. Local processing guarantees that audio is not sent anywhere. If you're a developer and want to help, send pull requests with your improvements. I'll definitely review them. Even if you don't know how to do something complex, you can send even the simplest interface improvements. If you're not a developer and have difficulties with installation or usage, don't hesitate to write me on Telegram, Artisoft.
Какие уровни изоляции есть в постгре, а также как создать middleware в Django и что такое course headers.
And if that's you, then you should go to GitHub and give my repository a star. If you don't have an account, make one, or better yet, give stars to all my repo. Hope it was useful, and press the like below, and subscribe, and write a comment, and set the bell, and rewatch the video 20 times. What else can you do for me? Go fuck